Time to combine flex containers, justify content, and item sizing into one real, complete responsive navigation bar. In this video you will build a real working Flexbox nav. This real rule combines display, flex, justify content, and align items, three earlier topics working together for a genuine nav layout. This real link styling combines earlier text and spacing topics, making each actual nav item feel like a real clickable button. This real hover state combines pseudo-classes and border radius, earlier topics, for a genuine polished interactive feel. A real production nav usually combines many Flexbox properties together. Justify content, spacing, and hover states all work together naturally. This same real pattern scales to any flex-based component. Build your own real Flexbox nav combining at least 3 properties from this series. Ready to build real grid layouts from the ground up?